Hey guys, I'm letting you guys in on how much Twitter paid me in 2 weeks. I made a video in the past explaining how much I made on Twitter and how much Twitter pays and how to monetize your Twitter account. I'll drop the links in the description to go and watch that particular video out. But the particular video is how much Twitter paid me in just 2 weeks. Yes, in just 2 weeks. The video I made in the past, I was explaining how much Twitter paid me in total and how Twitter made me a millionaire. I'm now going to tell you how much I made in 2 weeks and how much you can probably make in 2 weeks. Let me explain in details. Twitter pays differently. They don't pay. They used to pay before based on how much advertisers pay under your post, but now it's now based on the verified content or verified users that comment in your comment section. That means if I make a particular post and up to like 300 verified people comment in that comment section consistently for over 2 weeks, and I tend to make a lot of money from that particular video, right? For a particular post actually. So it pay varies on extent. Like me now, I made my last one. I'm going to show it on the screen. I don't really have the figures in my head. The last money I got paid, I was paid around $13. I'll be $30 something. I can't really remember. And 2 weeks after that, I was paid roughly around that estimate because I was not really active because I was busy with school activities and other activities. That means I was not really active on Twitter. I was just posting whenever I felt like, whenever I had the time to come around on Twitter. That means the pay is going to be very, very different for you. That has all the time and ready to make the money, and yes, I really wants to make a lot of money on Twitter. Now, at the time, Twitter did not pay me for like 3 months in a stretch because one, there was a glitch from their system and I was not subscribed to my verification. And when I came back, they paid me over $100. Like they paid me over $100, and the picture going to be on the screen for you to see. They paid me over $100 after not being active for like 3 months. That means the payment accumulates and accumulates and accumulates and accumulates over time to whenever you're ready to get paid on Twitter. Whenever you buy your blue tier, whenever you subscribe to Twitter. So I feel like that is how much you can probably make on Twitter in like 2 weeks single-handedly. So it took me roughly over a year to make over $1 million on Twitter. Yes, I made a video on explaining how I made money on Twitter. The link will be in the description. Tap the link and watch the full video. Yes, so this is how much I made in just 2 weeks posting content on Twitter, and you can do the same. Yes, you can do the same. There's nothing special about my content. Yes, you can do the same. And if you want to monetize, you know how to monetize your Twitter account. There's also a different link in the description on how to monetize your Twitter account so you can make money. The link going to be in the description. Yes. So go and check the video out and watch to the end so you can know how to monetize your Twitter account. And if you don't advice I'm going to give, just be consistent or be very, very consistent and always read the X monetization policies, regulations, guidelines to avoid making any mistake that will lead your account to a temporal ban or your pausing of your revenue, because you don't want that to happen because you're here to make money. You're not there to just everything. You're there to make money. So yes, that's enough information for you guys, and I will see you guys on my next YouTube video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.